Okay, this is a video about importing that Excel spreadsheet into Digikey and how to make it. You have to be, of course, register with Digikey in order to get your own My Digikey. And then you select My Digikey. And then you select Bill of Material Manager. And here you can upload the file. So we'll go find that. Parts list, man. And then drag that there to upload it. And there you go. Now it says, please select one type of part number and quantity below. So that's the manufacturer number. That's the manufacturer. You only need one or two of these, but why chance things? And that's quantity. Then you go add to BOM. And there's all your parts. Just like that. And then now these are those ones on the bottom that are not specific to Digikey, like the Arduino and the converters and stuff. You just have to delete them. Delete. And that's all. Then you go add to cart at the bottom here. A new cart, add to cart. And here you have your whole shopping cart with all the parts. Confirm how many parts you want, how many pieces, what you want, what you don't want. And 188 bucks. And then you just go check out and give them your money and you're done. So not very difficult. Anyway, thanks.